don't have the golden monkey no more.
Hey, bro, can I borrow one of your gadgets?
Bro, wow.
I mean, No. I need them.
Please, I'm begging you.
Bro, what are you gonna do with them? What are you gonna do with them?
Justice.
You can make your own thing, but you can't have mine, okay?
The only thing I can make is just a crappy slingshot.
You can use that, and you can use something hard to swing it.
You're fighting ground.
Bro, take me with you. Henry, what are you doing out here?
I'm a superhero.
What can you even do?
I got a machine gun. Hold on, let me just get it.
You sure you got a machine gun?
Yeah. I'm handcraft Henry.
By the way, what is on your head?
It's my grandpa's brain.
Bro, did you just make a joke?
No, it's actually my grandpa's brain.
Oh, frick.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Let me just get my gun.
Come here. Look at this baby. Look at him. I mean, it all
Can
by
you
myself. Shoot. Yeah, look. It shoots rubber bands.
Shoot it. Ow! Frick, that kind of stings.
Oh, yeah, I used my dad's old taser when he was a police officer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you just take the taser? Why'd you make this?
Well, you said to make my own gadget.
Well, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah. I used my dad's old taser.
I mean, I could have found
Anything that was like a superhero, so I had to use my grandpa's old brain.
Alright, so I guess you're coming to fight crime with me? First, the most important thing, we gotta go hide out on top of a building and look down.
Okay.
And check the news, too. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna check the news.
Alright. This is the best hiding spot up here. You can see literally everything, including the news stage. Alright. See, look, there's the news stage right down there. So we can see if they're reporting any villains. We
I
have
see
viewed all
somebody.
these. No, Henry, you stay here. You don't have any actual powers. Here. Well, I don't either, but you know what I mean.
This might kind of expensive.
What do you think
I'm
you're
gonna
doing?
take it.
What do you think you're doing robbing the news station? Get lost and don't do this again.
Bro, why didn't let me help?
Bro, because you have no experience in this thing. I have to teach you, bro.
I got a taser.
Alright. It barely even works. It's an old thing. Old.
Yeah, I mean,
There's a little shock. I'm gonna teach you how to make real gadgets. Follow me. Okay. This is better. Hey, bro, what are you doing in my life around?
I'm just Well, I'm just
cool.
making a new fireball gadget.
Fireball gadget. Now that's something cool.
Yeah.
Plan on making anything else?
Oh yeah, I already finished about this like leaf boomerang
Oh, that's
that
crazy.
that like spins and like shoots leaves out. I had to do some testing on like the frisbee and like I made it like a little store and I tried to make it like the same like rotation of like a frisbee. So that's how it like kind of floats.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go work over here on my computer. Oh, I have to go on TV in like a couple hours. So I'm gonna get my work done first. Bro, look at all this we dug up, man.
Man, we get man. I kind of am tired. Exploring mines for a little
Let's
bit.
go up here, man. Yeah, we
Yeah.
barely even explored. We've been working so hard. Let's give ourselves a little bit of a break. Climb up this big old crystal.
Oh, that one's a chunky one.
Chunky.
Whoa.
I did not see this here.
Yeah. I don't remember the last time I dig up.
Wait, what is this? What is this? What's in there? Wait, what the? What is this?
I don't know, man.
Whoa, this is crazy. What in the world?
Hey, Arnie, look what I found.
What? Give me that.
Idea.
This isn't
Oh, Lord.
Bee-Hive. This isn't Bee-Hive. He didn't break in. His name is Randy.
God.
Randy Quinn. We gotta tell this to the news and the police.
Oh, yeah, we gotta.
Gotta. Nice. Let's do it.
Alright, so, we have an update on the thing about Bee-Hive. It wasn't actually Bee-Hive. So, two miners were digging into the mines, and they found this key card, and it said, Bee-Hive is not responsible for the breaking of Shawnee rocks. And shout out to the two miners right there. And we have a little guest on TV. Introducing Bee-Hive.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Alright. So, Bee-Hive, we have a couple questions for you.
Of course, go ahead.
Alright. So, do you know the person that broke into Shawnee Rox's house?
So the miners said that it was somebody named Randy Quinn. He looks
Yeah,
a lot
they
like
said
me,
that.
they said. On his ID card in the mines.
Yeah, the two miners said that they found the key card in like a weird looking lab. It looks like it'd been abandoned for like 40 years.
Maybe I should go inspect that.
Alright. Okay. And now that's Chimpanzee News. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh my god, I found the secret room! Well, 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 look who it is. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Oh my god. So long. No! I have to tell you something. I'm your brother. Come here! No! No! Ah! Ow! Ugh! Ow! Ow! Ah! Ow! Ugh!
Ow! That was it! Ow!
Yes.
Ow! 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 It hurts! Ow! 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 Alright, Alex, hold up. Who is that? Setting everything on fire. Right? Get out of my sight! Is it okay?
Yeah, he's fine. He just has a fractured hand. No big deal.
Okay, so how many days until that the hand will be healed?
It's like 2 weeks. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
I'm back, baby.
Okay, so we are in the science class, and today we are going to be learning about science. Solar system, and the solar system is a lot of. Hey, stop talking!
Oh my
Be
god.
quiet. Hey, stop talking long. I'm sending you to the principal. That's the last warning. Okay, you know what? I'm out of here. I'm not.
Dang, Bubba. Science is kind of boring anyways.
Henry, I gotta tell you something important. You know that
Okay.
Deaf Hive person I've been talking about?
Yeah? You've been talking to him about like 4
He's
weeks
actually
now.
my long lost brother. He said it to my face. And then I took a DNA test and it was right. God. What's that noise?
Hey, look!
Oh,
Somebody get on you, bro!
Let's get him out of here.
Get out!
Get out of here, boy.
Get out!
Use your gadget that you have. Oh. I knew you'd be pretty good at this.
Yeah. In fact, like yesterday, I just beat up a robber with my own bare hands. Not using any of my gadgets.
Alright, let's turn this guy into the cops.
Yeah.
Alright, look over there, look over there.
They're robbing the ATM.
Let's go. Hey! Get back here!
Get back here, you criminal. I'll get this one.
Stand down.
Oh, Henry, I heard a noise down in Canyon. Stay here. I'm gonna go check it out, okay?
Who are you?
You remember?
You're the guy that stole the golden mom.
Yeah, but Flintstone maybe did it. I didn't want to do it.
I won't let you die, but you're still going to the cops. Get over there.
Alright,
I'm gonna make sure that. Officer, I found the guy that stole the golden month. I'll take him in.
Alright.
I was doing duty for you, sir. Oh,